Hi everyone. The most common type of cable used for setting up local networks is called twisted pair. You can get the job done using basic tools for installation and maintenance, but if you want top-notch results and enjoy your work, using specialized tools is the way to go. We know exactly which tools you need, and we're here to give you some expert advice. Let's start with removing the outer insulation from the cable. For this, we use a wire stripper. It's really easy. Just insert the cable into the stripper section of the tool, rotate it, and remove the insulation. When choosing a wire stripper, it's important to consider a number of factors. Firstly, look for an adjustable cutting depth. Different cable types require different depths, so it's crucial to have a versatile tool. Secondly, ensure that the tool is top quality and not excessively loose. A reliable and sturdy wire stripper is essential for precise and consistent performance. Lastly, prioritize convenience. Opt for a wire stripper that feels comfortable in your hand and is easy to handle. After completing preparations, the next step is to connect the connector. This is done using a crimper. For 8-wire twisted pair cables, RJ45 connectors are used. To ensure a quality crimp, you need a high-quality tool. There are two types of crimpers for RJ45 connectors: crimping scissors and modular crimpers. Due to their design, crimping scissors are much less expensive. However, they may not always provide even pressure on all 8 contacts and require special precision. Such crimpers are commonly used in household applications. Instead, modular crimpers ensure consistent pressure when crimping contacts. They are often equipped with a ratchet to reduce the effort required for crimping. Such tools are durable and designed for professional use. So now we straighten the wires, lay them out in the correct order, insert them into the slots until they reach the stop, and crimp them with a gentle motion. After connecting the connectors, test the connection for quality and correct operation. The simplest cable tester can detect faults such as breaks, short circuits, wire crossovers, and shielding issues. To run the test, connect one end of the cable to the master unit of the tester and the other end to the tester's remote unit. The tester sends a test signal through each wire in turn, and indicators display errors, if any. We deliberately crimped one of the cables incorrectly to show how the tester detects errors. With professional testers, you can not only verify the cable's integrity, but also trace its route and identify the location of any breaks. Additionally, these testers make it easy to locate a specific cable within a harness. Such testers can be used to check cables of different types. Some testers are designed for testing twisted pair cables, while others can also handle optical cables. Here we have a punchdown tool. It is used to terminate wires into keystone jacks, patch panels, or termination points. This tool is simple yet highly durable, even subject to continuous use. It has a long lifespan and provides reliable performance over time. Some models have a built-in swing-out hook for removing wires. Here's how you use it. Get your cable ready. For this, remove the insulation, untwist the wires, and slide them into the corresponding color-coded jacks. The wires should protrude slightly from the end. Then, use the punch-down tool with a cutting end of the blade outwards to crimp the cable and trim any excess wire. Some plugs can do without this tool, as the wires are positioned correctly and can be clamped without cutting. For professional work, you can choose a tool set that contains all the necessary instruments. It provides convenience and includes a case for easy storage and transportation. With a comprehensive tool set, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips, making your work more efficient and organized. There are several other essential tools for network maintenance that we believe are worth considering. This is a measuring tape that allows you to measure distances during plug installation, as well as the length of short cables. A simple laser level is also convenient for plug installation. A coaxial cable crimper can also come in handy. By the way, Pros Kit crimpers are compatible with most interchangeable dies for various connector types, including RJ45. Thus, by simply changing the dies, you can have a versatile crimper meeting all your needs. Screwdrivers, pliers, and long-nose pliers are all-purpose tools that should always be within your reach. Insulated tape is a well-known essential in any repair jobs, but it is especially important in the installation of cable networks. Using tape of different colors allows for cable color coding. This greatly facilitates troubleshooting, network improvement, expansion, and makes it easy to locate the desired cable. The use of insulated tape ensures organization, identification, and efficient management of cables within a network. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave your comments. Your opinion is important to us. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time.